It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now. It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
And battle it out with a test
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hi, good morning, one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. Yes, I came up with 13th question of the day. This is 13th session regarding question of the day, and today I will inject a little bit more of geometry and mensuration to you. Already in the previous class, I explained you about triangles, how Apollonius theorem, how Stewart's theorem can be used. Now today I will explain you some more concepts. Right? As I said that most of the students have asked me this. Sir, don't deal geometry at once because already we are fed up with this technical part, and again remaining geometry at a stretch at once might be difficulty for us. So I'm dealing this as injectable part, right? Only little bit of basic every day, so that it will be very helpful to remember also, right? So today I will be dealing with how to deal questions regarding 3D mensuration and some questions regarding logarithms, right? Because out of 8 years in GATE non-tech, in non-tech part, 6 years there is a question on this logarithms, right? So before start of the class, let me introduce myself. This is NLN Sharma, and my best CAT score was 99.83 in 2011, and these are my credentials. Now when you use my code NLN10, yes, you will get 10% discount, and you will get guidance of all these subjects from me. Why me? I'm ranked 33 in overall category of GATE and ESE and rank 1 in math and chemistry category. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date for CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE. So many students were asking me what is the difference between plus and iconic and what are the advantages when you choose iconic or plus. Yes, you know that in iconic you will be assigned with a personal coach exclusively. Now you will be getting one-to-one live mentorship program with your mentor and educator, so that you can speak with them personally about your difficulties facing. You will get the best solutions for that. Each and every test will be analyzed and your mistakes are identified, right? So that if the mistakes are rectified, your score will be boosted. This is the main part of this personal coach here, right? Most of the students complain with this, sir, we have done the entire syllabus but we are not able to apply the things onto the questions. This is where your coach will be helpful regarding test analysis. Specialized notes will be provided, right? One more advantage when you choose iconic subscription, you will be getting access to complete Raudra coding classes, so that you can complete all your software courses. Those who are in core branch, that will be a backup to your career, right? Of course, whatever you get in plus, you will get in iconic also. Now observe the things, features, what you get in plus and iconic here. Now how much you have to invest if you are choosing plus, and if you are opting for 24-month subscription, now it will be costing you only 65 rupees per day, the lowest, where you will get India's the best educators to teach for you. When you use my code NLN10, yes, you will be getting 10% discount, my guidance and my entire group guidance. After 10% discount, the price will be 46,728. Means my team means Bhima sir, Vishal sir, Negi sir, completely. And for 12 months it is 32,126 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 months, right? And we have introduced one more a category called 9-month subscription. Those who are aiming at exactly GATE 2023, this will be damn helpful for them, so do try to subscribe. And again, we are giving you extra months for the subscription, right? If you opt for 9 months, you will be getting extra 2 months. For 12 months, you will be getting extra 3 months. For 18 and 24, you will be getting extra 4 months. This is the offer, and it is valid up to May 25th. Right. Coming to iconic, right, the price will be 55,886 after discount when you use my code NLN10 for 12 months, and this is for 18 and 24 months. Of course, we heard from you, so we have dropped this iconic prices by 21%, right? Let us suppose take 1 year price iconic is 55,886. Now we made it to 52,000, right? So do try to subscribe to iconic, right, where you will be provided with physical notes prepared by top most educators in India. The dispatch will be started from first week of July, right? This is what, right? And we are going to divide the GATE category into 4 separate goals, right? ME, Chemical 1, Civil, CS, E and EC. So you can watch your own goals with a hassle-free experience, right? Of course, those who want to watch the content of all the 6 branches, yes, you have to subscribe, right? Very soon we are going to divide it. As I said there, We will be providing you physical notes for GATE iconic subscribers, whomsoever subscribes for 1 year and above, right? Chalo. Let's start our discussion here. Now, this is the question which was asked in many examinations. This pattern of question, I will solve this. In the next question, I'll give you time. So do try to solve that question. Now I will solve this. It is a algebra based logarithm question now. So you are given with an equation p square plus 9r square is equal to 18pr. Then the value of log p minus 3r is the question asked, where p is equal to 1 by r. And automatically, can I write down like this? P into r is equal to 1. And again, one more condition is given there, your p is greater than 3r, it seems. So you can cross check. Let's see first of all. So our aim is to find out log p minus 3r. This is our aim. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. This is our aim. So how to convert the given equation, right? This is the equation given there, and I have to convert this given equation into this format here. Let's suppose I'll write down like this. Observe it. P square plus 9 square, 9r square plus I'll write down like this, minus 12pr is equal to, can I write down this as 6pr? I wrote this equation like this. I hope so. I am clear regarding this. Now, if you closely observe there, this equation, LHS equation, is in the format of p minus 3r whole square. Am I right or wrong? P square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. And 9r square minus 3 into 2 into 2pr. Perfectly done. And RHS, in the place of pr, can I substitute 1? Yes, beta, I can substitute 1. So automatically, what will be my answer there? 6 there. So add logarithms on the both sides. So log p minus 3r whole square is equal to log 6. Of course, I'll write down. So see this 2, I will move on to this. So it is in the format of log a to the power of n. I can write down this as 2 into log p minus 3r. Can I write down this log 6 as log 2 into log 3? Am I right around? Log 2 into 3, right? So 6 can be written as 2 into 3. So it is in the format of log mn. Am I right around? Log mn? And can I write down the same thing as log 2 plus log 3? Log m plus log n. Pure logarithm base. At last, finally, can I write down the same equation like this? Log p minus 3r is equal to, this 2 will come to this denominator. No? So I can write down like this, 1 by 2 into log 2 plus 1 log 3 by log 2. So finally I can write down like this into, can I write down like this? I hope so I am clear. Is this your answer there? Perfect, easy way to calculate the things there. So in the same way, if you know interconvertibility of logarithms, you can solve major questions very easily. And this is a question, right? I'll give you 2 minutes for this. You try your own way. Let us see how many can answer this. Then I'll explain my way, right? If I directly explain the question there will be no that much punch in this, right? So try this. seconds more. Any answers? So you're in the class, right? Try it genuinely, right? So I'm taking only 40-45 minutes of your time. This will be damn helpful for your examination for sure. Observe the question there. If the value of x is greater than 1, x is greater than 1, what is the least value of the expression? So you are asked to find out least value. If you closely observe there are two terms there. So I will take down this log base 2x as a. I will take down this 3 log base x 0.125 as b. So closely observe there, whenever you observe two terms and if you are asked to find out maximum value or least value, you automatically go for the relationship called arithmetic mean geometric mean relation. AM value is greater than or equal to geometric mean. Everybody know what is arithmetic mean. If you know the two terms, a plus b divided by 2 greater than or equal to root of ab. This is the relationship there. By this we can find out the max or min value very easily. Now in the place, so little bit I will twist this. I will convert this equation into my convenient format. 0.125 can be written as 125 by 1000. Am I right or wrong? Can I write down this as 5 by 10 whole cube? Am I right or wrong? Can I write down 5 by 10 as 1 by 2? So 2 to the power of minus 1. At last finally, can I write down this as 2 to the power of minus 3? Will you accept with me? 25 5s are 25 40s are 1 by 8. 1 by 8 is nothing but 2 cube. So finally, can I write down this equation like this? Log base 2x. So minus 3 log base x. In the place of 0.125, can I write down 2 to the power of minus 3? Finally, will this equation be converted to like this? Log base 2x plus this minus 3 will come in front, right? A to the power, log a to the power of n. So this will become plus, right? Minus 3 into plus minus 3. Log base 2, log base x2. So I'll use the same relationship there. Do I have one more slide? Yes, I can do it here. In the place of a, I'll write down log base 2x plus in the place of b, I have to write down 9 log base x2. Base x2 is greater than or equal to this 2. I'll write down here 2 into, so I'll write down like this. Log a value upon interconvertibility of logarithms, can I write down a as log x by log 2? Yes, I can write down like this. Log b value into log b value can be written as like this 9 into log 2 by log x. So am I right or wrong? Yes. Whole to the power of 1 by 2. So root of ab I am writing down it as 1 by 2. By this what can I do? My log x gets cancelled, log 2 gets cancelled. 9 whole to the power of 1 by 2 will be how much, ma? Is it 3? So finally log base 2 x e plus 9 log base x2 is greater than or equal to how much? 2 3s are 6. Am I right or wrong? Now see, this is the least value, right? Means it has to start with 6 and has to go beyond that, right? It cannot be below 6 there. And is this my answer there? See here how I have used my AM-GM relationship to solve a question there. So this AM-GM relationship will be helpful in many topics, not only in logarithms, in geometry, in algebra, in arithmetic, right? We can use this very easily, right? Done. Chalo, so that's what, right? Whenever you see a question which starts with, right, find out least value, greatest value, blindly use this AM-GM relationship. When there are two terms, automatically you can make it easily. Done. Now, the same way, right? Same way. You can use AM-GM relationship or only AM relationship. Let's see how many can solve this. After this, we'll shift to 3D mensuration. Okay, I'll solve one of the best questions in 3D mensuration. Any answers? Ramset, right? That's an easy one mostly. 3 positive terms. So it is not 0, it is not negative. Blindly it is positive. Second more. 3 positive terms, x comma y and z, with x is greater than y is greater than z. Okay. So decreasing terms are such that 1 by x comma 1 by y comma and 1 by z in arithmetic progression. If x value is greater, automatically I can write down like this: 1 by x is less than, am I right or wrong? If your denominator value is highest, automatically that will be the least fraction there. So by this, can I write down this? So these are in arithmetic progression. Matlab, अब देखो, this is an increasing arithmetic progression only. A plus D, A plus 2D format only. AM, it seems they are in arithmetic progression. The value of log z plus log x minus y is equal to is the question asked. So chalo, everybody know how to prove that 3 terms are in arithmetic progression. Everybody knows B is equal to the middlemost term must be equal to sum of extreme terms divided by 2. Whatsoever the number of terms there. The extreme terms are A and C here. So by this, can I write down here? A value is, I'll write down here 1 by x plus C value is 1 by z. So I'll take down this 2 value to the right hand side, 2 into 1 by y. B value is 1 by y now. Okay. You are asked to find out this. So your denominator value is xz. Automatically numerator value will be x plus z is equal to 2 by y. So can I write down this equation as 2xz is equal to x into y xy, x into y into z will be yz. Our aim is to find out log z plus log x minus y. So I'll break down this 2xz into 2 parts. So can I write down like this? I'll keep this xz here. I'll take down this yz to the left hand side. It will become yz here. Am I right or wrong? So xy here, automatically xz here, right? Because one xz I took here. So can I write down this equation as, I'll take z as common, z into x minus y will become here. What can I take common here? I can take x as common here, which will become y minus z. So add logarithms on both sides. So see here, I'll add logarithms on both sides. I'll make it in reading, right? I'll add logarithms on both sides. Log. Automatically you got your respective answer. It is in the format of log mn. I can write down as log m plus log n, log z plus log x minus y. Is this your question asked? Yes, this is your question asked, and you closely observe there. This is your question asked. Is equal to, now this is your answer there, log x plus log y minus z. This is your answer there. Perfectly. How many of you got this idea there to solve? So most people think that it might be a numerical value. So automatically it, right? Done. Let's solve some very good questions regarding mensuration here. I will solve this question. Next question you have to solve for me. Right? So try to observe the question how I am solving it. The radius of a cone is, so I'll write down this, the radius of a cone. First of all, radius of a cone I'll take down as r. R is equal to root 2 times the height of the cone. 2 times the height of the cone. H value. So by this I can take r by h value as root 2 by 1. As there are no common factors, I can take down direct values also. A cube of maximum possible volume is cut from the same cone, it seems. What is the ratio of the volume of the cone to the volume of the cube formed? First of all, I'll draw the cone, then we can get more clarity regarding this. So this is a cone here. Those who can draw the diagram, right, visualize the diagram perfectly, can easily solve the question there. Of course, I am dealing a little bit higher level question which is not up to your examination, but this will be helpful to solve the remaining questions very easily. Now everybody know this is your height of the cone and this will be your, I'll take down like this one first. This is your diameter of the cone. Of course, middle will be the radius there, and this will be the height of the cone. Will you accept with me? Yes, perfectly. Now from this cone I have to remove a cube, it seems. So I'll remove a cube there. I'll write down in red ink. Observe it carefully. So don't exactly find out the shape there. So not on scale. I'm removing a cube there. The cube that I have removed it. See, I have removed a cube there. So I'll write down some values so that you can understand this perfectly. So I'll take down this as A, B, C. Okay. Closely observe there. Now, what will be this value here? See, this is nothing but called, now observe only top surface of the cube. Top surface of the cube will be square. Now how much will be this value there? This is nothing but called your diagonal of the square. Will you accept with me? Yes. So how shall I make down this now? See here A, B, C. I'll take down this as D. I'll take down this point as O. I'll take down this as A, B, C, D, na PQ. For the sake of convenience, don't worry about that. Now, if you closely observe there, you are observing two triangles there, AOQ, and you are observing one more triangle called ADC. Am I right or wrong? So I'll remove this circle there. So observe this triangle AOQ and one more triangle ADC. Are you observing those two triangles there perfectly? Yes. Done. Now what will be this PQ value? This PQ value, how many of you can find out this? Let us suppose take, I will be taking down this value as A, small a. Now automatically PQ value will be how much? Will be root 2a, because diagonal of a square will be equal to root 2a. I want OQ value. OQ value will be how much? I'll take down like this, root 2a by 2. By rationalizing this, what happens there? It will be a by root 2. Am I right or wrong? Yes, a by root 2. I'll take down like this. So my OQ value will be a by root 2. Will you accept this? Done. So if you closely observe that these two triangles are similar triangles. Why? Because see here they are residing on the same height. Am I right or wrong? And your angle A is common for both those triangles. Automatically I can easily prove it that these are similar triangles, right? And they go, these are 90 degrees, right? Exactly perpendiculars. So angles are same. AA property. So these two are similar triangles. In this similar triangles, ab dekho bhai, in this is the height of triangle AOQ. Now what will be the height of this? This will be AD. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Is equal to, in this triangle OQ is nothing but the base of this ADC. Okay, in ADC. So what shall I do? I'll take down like this one. I'll take down like this. 1 second. Height here is AO, here height is AD. Either base is OQ. Now here base is how much? EC. Now AO value will be how much? Let us suppose take AD value is H. I am writing down this. Closely observe there. AD value is H. Height of the cone. Now what will be AO value? Closely observe there. Can anybody say the answer there? Now see here, from O to D. From O to D, what will be the value? O to D, it is nothing but A. So this will be the complete height of the, AO plus OD will be the height of the cone. So I should remove this A. Not totally. So see here, AO value will be H minus A. OQ value will be how much? Root A by root 2. Will you accept with me? Yes. And you closely observe that what is AD value? AD value is R, radius. Now OC, EC value 8. Sorry. This is 1 second. Give me 1 second. AO value is H minus A. AD value is H. OQ value is yes, we are right, A by root 2. And DC value is nothing but equal to R. Perfectly right. So can I write down this value as root 2 into H minus A by H minus A is equal to minus 1 is equal to my H by R value will be how much, ma'am? Is it 1 by root 2? Yes, it is 1 by root 2. R by H is root 2 by 1. H by R will be 1 by root 2. So this root 2 will go this side, which will become nitro. At last finally H by A is nothing but equal to 1 by 2 plus 1. Will you accept with me? So H by A value will be equal to how much? Is it 3 by 2? Yes, it is 3 by 2. Perfectly done. Asked to find out the answer there. Ab dekho, what is the ratio of volume of the cone? Everybody know what is volume of the cone? Volume of the cone, I'll write down here, is nothing but equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now what is volume of the cube? Volume of the cube is nothing but equal to a cube. Right, I'll write down in the next slide. 1 second. So a cube can be written as 2 by 3h. Am I right or wrong? So volume of the cube is nothing but equal to 2 by 3h whole cube. This is volume of the cube. Now I'll write down volume of the cone. Volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. And dekho beta, in the place of r, can I write down this as root 2h? Yes. So 1 by 3 pi into root 2 into h whole square into h is equal to 8h cube by 27. And finally, see here, my h cube gets cancelled off. So 3 1s are 3 9s are here. right? And this becomes 2 here, root 2, and this becomes 4 here. And automatically my answer will be 9 pi by 4 is equal to 1. So this, how much will be the answer there? Any options? 9 by 4 will be how much, ma? Calculate this. 2.25. So automatically 2.25 pi is equal to 1. Is there any option there? Yes, and your option number 1 satisfies. See here in the all the entire things, if you can draw the diagram, automatically you can crack the question fatafat very easily. Then you might get a doubt, sir. Cube ka height. So why did you remove this value there? Ab dekho, this removed value is added here, right? So that's why I'm not. So see, first of all, from here to here it must be the A value, right? But I took from O to A. From here to here must be the A value. But see, this part is attached here, so that's why I'm considering this as same. Exactly, because cube na, all the diagonal parts will be equal only. Done. Perfectly done. Let's see how many can solve this question here. Same pattern question. There is no change there. If you understood that how I drawn the diagram in the previous slide, now this question will be damn easy for you. Try this. So those who can draw the diagram, right? Only previous question is a little bit high, man. This is very easy when compared to the previous question. Any answers? I hope so. You can get it very easily. Find the edge of the cube that can be inscribed in the cone with base diameter 12 and height 8 centimeter, it seems. So chalo, I'll draw the diagram there. So this is a cone, it seems. Now you didn't remove it. You have drawn it, right? So I'll show it how. Now this is my diameter of the cone, and this will be my height of the cone. So you have drawn a cube, it seems. So I'll draw 1 second. Let's suppose, like, right, don't exactly find out the shape. So this is a cube that you have drawn in the cone. So it might look like cuboid, but pardon me and take down this value there, okay? Take down the shape. Consider the shape as a cube. Done. Again, I'll take some values there. Now this is my A, B, C. Right. So I'll take down this value as D. None of these is not the option Harish Srivastava. Let's check, right? If you are right, let's check. Let's check. Just give me 1 minute. I'll draw the diagram and I'll do it, right? I'll take down this value as O. I'll take down this value as PQ. If you closely observe that you are observing two triangles. This is one triangle, right? APQ. Underline this. I'll remove this. So triangle APQ. You are observing two triangles and triangle ABC. If you closely observe that these two triangles have same angle, right? Common angle A. They are residing on same height and the bases can be proportional for sure. So these are similar triangles there. And of course, there are some values given there. You closely up in AP, height of the APQ, height of the triangle is AO. Ab dekho beta, right? Let us suppose take my edge of the cube. I will take down a small a value. So my PQ value will be how much? Root 2a. Yes, perfectly. It is root 2a. Because if you observe the top face of the cube, it is a square. Diagonal of the square will be root 2 the side. AO is equal to height of the triangle here is AD divided by AD divided by base of the triangle. This one is PQ. Now this one is BC or ABC. Now everybody know what is AO value? Anybody say? Now see here, let us suppose take this is AO. From O to D, it is A. Am I right or wrong? Total AD value is nothing but height of the triangle 8. So AO value must be how much? 8. From 8, I have to remove A. Then that will be the AO value. AD value will be how much? 8. How much is PQ value? PQ value is root 2A divided by BC value will be how much? 12 plus 12, 24, but diameter is 12. Okay, that diameter is given 12. So is this nothing but called 2 by 3? So 3 8s are 24 minus 3a is equal to 2 root 2a. And finally, can I write down this as 24 is equal to, I'll take a as common, 2 root 2 plus 3. What is the question? You are asked to find out edge of the cube, a value. Now a value is nothing but equal to how much? 24 divided by 2 root 2 plus 3. And it is not none of these, Harshat, and your option number 3 is true. More sophisticated version than previous question, right? We have done it in very easiest manner because all the values are given easily now. So that's why solving is also very easy. Done. Let's come to the next one, right? I want this question, right? So I'm expecting this question from you guys to solve. Try this. Let's see. Again, as I said, 3D mensuration, you have to visualize the diagram there. You have to draw the diagram. Unless until if you cannot draw the diagram, nobody can help regarding this. Hey, yaar, why sorry? Yaar? It's a practice session. If you're going wrong, correct it. That's it. You need to say sorry. Done. Right. Observe the question there. A stick of length 15 centimeters leans on a sphere of radius 5 centimeters lying on a floor, it seems. Let us suppose take this is a floor. I'll take down this as a sphere. Okay. Now observe that this is a stick leaning on the sphere here. This is a stick leaning on the sphere. A stick of 15 meters. So I'll take down this stick value as AB. AB. 1 second here. Sorry. Leans on a sphere of radius 5 centimeters lying on the pole. A certain length of the stick extends beyond the point of contact. I will be taking down the contact point as C. Yes, okay, fine. Find the extended, find this, you are asked to find out AC length if the point of contact is exactly 8 centimeters above the floor. Right, so I'll take down like this. Now see, this point of contact is exactly 8 centimeters above the floor, it seems. Done. Ab dekho beta, now this will be the center of the circle and this will be the radius of the circle. Am I right or wrong? This will be also the radius of the circle. And let us suppose take this length from this point. I'll take down this value. Ab dekho dhyan se. Now this radius is how much? 5. These two are parallel. Am I right or wrong? Yes, these two are parallel. Now this is O. I'll take down A, B, C. I'll take down this as D, E, F, D, E, F. Now OD value will be how much? Is it 5? Yes, radius. This is also 5. Will you accept with me? Yes. Ab dekho bhai, this FE value is also 5 because these two are parallel. Exactly, you can say this. This total CE value is 8 given in the question there. This is 5 matlab this will be 3. If this is 3, automatically this is a right angle triangle. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. This is a right angle triangle. So what will be this OF value? OF value will be 4. If this is 4, OD value will also be 4. I hope so. I am clear regarding this. Now you closely observe that there is one point. From an external point, if you draw two line segments which touch at only one point on the circle, and these two are nothing but called tangents, and those two tangents will be of equal length. So dB value I will be taking down as some x value. So this will be how much my EB value? EB value will be x minus 4. And everybody knows CB value is x. And AC value will be 15 minus x. And you are asked to find out 15 minus x value there. And you closely observe that triangle CEB. Triangle CEB is a right angled triangle. Will you accept with me? Yes. In this right angle triangle, CE is perpendicular side, which is nothing but called 8 square, plus EB value is nothing but x minus 4 whole square, which is nothing but equal to x square. Calculate this, we will get the value there 64 plus x square plus 16 minus 2 into 2 into 8 in 2 into 4 na 8x is equal to x square. So x square gets cancelled. 64 plus 16 is how much ma? Is it 80? Yes, it is 80. So 8x is equal to 80 and my x value is nothing but equal to 10. So my x value is equal to 10 and this x minus 4 value will be equal to 6. Of course, 6 plus 4 from the point of contact, again it has to be 10, both totally x na. So what will be my 15 minus x value? It will be 5. So this is the extended length of the stick beyond its point of contact, and your option number C satisfies there. This is the question there. Any of you got this point? I hope so. I am clear regarding this. Any doubts? Right. So we'll solve one more question here. I got one more question now. Try this. 2 minutes. In one more interesting and mensuration based question. Any answer? Arshit, Praveen? No, easy question, na? A metal ball 6 centimeter in diameter is dropped into a cylindrical vessel, it seems. Chalo, I'll draw this cylindrical vessel like this, ma. Base I'll draw normally only. Just for the sake of understanding, I'm drawing like this. There is no need to consider exactly the shape there. Vessel of diameter 12 centimeters, it seems. If the diameter is 12 centimeter, what will be the radius there? Radius will be 6. So this is your radius. Height of the cylinder is 20. The water level inside the cylinder is up to 19.5. So this empty space is how much? 0.5. And up to here the water is filled from the bottom face of the cylinder. Find the volume of the water that spills out, it seems. So if you drop a metal ball, if it accommodates the available space, automatically single pinch of water also will not be spilled out. If the metal ball volume is more than the available space, automatically water will spill out to accommodate this metal ball. Am I right or wrong? Let's check how much volume is available. So I can directly find out only this part. My remaining part I don't need. So what is the volume of the cylinder of this part? Volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. So automatically my r value is 6. So it is 36 into pi into height value is 0.5 1 by 2. So is it 18 pi? So available volume is 18 pi. If my metal ball volume is 18 pi, there will be no spillage of water. Let's find out the metal ball volume there. Volume of the sphere. Everybody know volume of the sphere formula is how much? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Let's check there. 4 by 3 into pi into metal ball diameter is 6. So radius will be 3. So 3 means 3 cube means 27. Am I right or wrong? 27 matlab 3 9s are 9 4s are 36 pi. 36 pi. The volume of the sphere is more than the available space. So automatically how much of space extra should be needed to accommodate this metal ball? 18 pi. This much of water will be spilled out from the cylinder. Automatically what will be your answer there? Your A option will be. In this entire scenario, right, if you know the formula, of course you can solve it. A little bit of basic is also needed here. I hope so I am clear regarding this. Any doubts up to here, please let me know. Yes, shall we solve one more question? Similar type of question now. Same type of question, there is no change. Try this. It's the last question. Last question, I'll not force you apart from this. Answers for this? Same question, there is no change, right? Glass spheres which submerge fully in water completely of radius 7 millimeter are dropped into a cylindrical vessel containing some water. Cylindrical vessel containing some water. The diameter of the vessel is 14 centimeter. Now this is a cylindrical vessel. Just for the sake of convenience, I'll draw. This is a cylindrical vessel. So what will be the question there? Is it diameter of the vessel is 14 means the radius is 7 centimeter. Find how many spheres have been dropped in it if the water level rises by 3.5 centimeter. It's find how many. Okay, so rises by 3.5 centimeters. Any idea of this? Any idea of this solving there? Did we took any value wrong there? No, yeah, mostly we are correct. Rises. So first of all, So height is 3.5 it seems. First of all, I'll find out the volume of the cylinder, pi r square h. So pi into r value is nothing but 749. Height value is 35 by 10. So this is the volume of the cylinder here. Now this entire volume has to be accommodated by how much? Glass piers. So see here how much of how many spheres, volume of the glass piers, or otherwise, right? First of all, number of glass pier, first volume of the glass pier is how much? I'll write down this. 4 by 3 pi r cube is nothing but equal to volume of the glass pier. I want number of glass piers means, so I'll write down like this. First of all, volume of the cylinder, pi into 49 into, one second, pi into 49 into 35 by 10 divided by 4 by 3 into pi into r cube value. R value is nothing but how much? 7. So I want to convert this into centimeters. So I have to write down this as 7 by 10 into 7 by 10, 4 by 3 into 7 by 10. It 7 by 10 to 7 by 10, 7 by 10. Calculate this and let me know the answer there. So pi value gets cancelled, 49, 7 get cancelled. So this 7 ones are, 7 fives are. Am I right? So this 10 and this 10 gets cancelled. This 3 will go on upside. So 3 fives are 15. 0, 0 divided by 4. So 1500 divided by 4 will be how much, ma? Everybody know it is 375. So how many glass piers can submerge in it? 375. Yes, very good. So your answer is 370. That's it. Perfectly done. And your option number 1. Done. So we'll solve many questions tomorrow. So continuously I'll take for 10 days this classes. So as you all know, I deal with CAT, UPSC and GATE ESE category. If you wish me as your guide, you can use my code NLN10 for plus subscription. You can use my code NLN10 for iconic subscription. Yes, you can unlock combats using with my code NLN10. It's a scholarship test. Based upon the score, you can get at least 25 to 100% discount. Yes, you can unlock free classes on Unacademy using with my code NLN10. The price per plus for 12 months will be 32,126 after discount when you use my code NLN10. This is for 18 and 24 months. And we have introduced a community feature where I will be dropping all my PDFs, right? Class PDFs, class links, all those things to this community feature so that you'll get the updates regarding my classes. And you can ask me any doubts. As you all know, we are dividing this GATE category into 4 sub branches, right? So do try to subscribe if you want to watch all those branches, right? And we have introduced this 9-month subscription, right? Those are aiming at GATE 2023. And these are the prices for iconic, and we have dropped our iconic prices by 21%. And those who are aiming at only test series, right? You can go with GATE Lite subscription, right? And you need not wait for anyone for your help or for your doubt clearance, right? Unacademy has an extraordinary wing called Unacademy Ask a Doubt. If you have any doubt in a question, just click that picture, crop it, upload in doubts and solutions, select your preferred language and get the video solution within minutes. You can ask 3 doubts at a time. And join my special classes where I am dealing campus placement strategy sessions here. So I have done 110 sessions till date. You will be, and the environment will be gamified and electrifying, and the interaction will be 10x more than here, right? Do try to join this Telegram group so that you'll get all the updates regarding the classes of mine and all the educators courses, what are the offers going on. And please do try to hit the like button and share my classes so that I can reach to more number of audience, right? Thank you. If you like it, subscribe to the channel, download the PDF from the Telegram group and hit the bell icon. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now. It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now. to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with the best.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.